today room temperature is so less, it needs to be 25 degrees.
I think it's a little bit higher though. Does that show like, is this at room temperature it's catching?
No, it's gonna catch room temperature.
Yeah.
And then when it exceeds the room temperature,
Yeah.
like more than, I set the value to 25 degrees in it. So whenever it exceeds 25 degrees, the fan's gonna turn on, and then it'll cool the system.
Like automatic cooling, you mean? Like it's gonna go cool the
Yeah.
temperature above 25 automatic?
No, whenever it exceeds that limit, then the fan's gonna turn up.
And what's that? Is that green one? Is that fan?
That's your, yeah, it is 5 volts DC fan. But I have here my sensor, LM35 temperature sensor.
Okay.
That's gonna sense the temperature.
Which one is the sensor?
Hold on. Oh, look.
Yeah, it's 20 now.
20.
What's that? What are you touching?
I'm trying to increase its temperature, so whenever it increases, then the fan.
Oh, by touching, like you're giving it a body heat?
Yeah, maybe by body
Yeah.
you can do it. Do you want to try?
What that
Look,
thing?
it's
What's that?
increasing by
What's
the-
that?
These
What's
are
that?
all outputs. Transmitter is the input part and receiver is the
The
output, part.
yeah.
I have it here. This is my LM35 temperature sensor, so it senses the room temperature, and then it sends to the Arduino board. This is called Arduino board.
Arduino board?
Yeah, this senses, and then it sends the temperature to Arduino board, and then it processes it, and then through the output part it's connected to receiver. So output Arduino's, this receiver's Arduino, it's take all those processing done by the transmitter, the signal sent by the transmitter, right?
Is that white thing is a transmitter?
This is transmitter part,
Okay.
right?
Yeah,
The
yeah, yeah.
sensor and the Arduino is connected in this, and then receiver part has Arduino board. 3 parts it has, and then the LCD 7-segment display and the DC fan. So it performs 2 functions at a time. It's gonna display the temperature, and then when it exceeds it, the set point value, which is 25 in mine one, and then when it exceeds it, then it turns up the fan to cool the system. When
Okay.
it goes again like below the set point value, that is 25, then it's gonna turn off. So right
Okay.
now I think it doesn't.
So, like in daily life application, where can we use this project for?
Actually, the name of my project is Greenhouse Temperature Monitoring System. So it basically used for greenhouses. In greenhouses, when there is a hot temperature day, when it exceeds that limit, like it's really hot, and then the DC fan is the main function to cool down your system, to protect your plants and trees from getting burned or damaged or something like this. So basically it's a really efficient and cheap way for saving your greenhouses.
To maintain the temperature.
Yes.
You mean, yeah. Okay, thank you. That's nice.